Okay, so these are Lizzy and Beacon's babies, and I'm going to do just a quick video. I'll tell you what, my little white apricot boy, he is the one playing the most with that fish. Okay, so one's Baladin and one's, oh, you know, that guy on The Hobbit. What was that name? It was B. Okay, and then we have little sweet syrup. So everybody just had their baths today, and they got their little nails trimmed, and they got their little brush outs, and they had their little pictures taken. Yes. And this guy right here loves to get his picture taken. He does so good. And this one does not like a boat. Oh boy, he will not have it. No. And then of course little Syrup, she's just as sweet as can be. She doesn't mind bows, she doesn't mind dress up, she loves it. Yes, you're that little sweetheart, aren't you, baby girl? Yes, you are. Alrighty. I think the battery's dead on my fish. Alrighty, it's about time to get back with your little mommy. Yes. Aw, little Syrup. Hi, sweetheart. These guys already are using the dog door. They're going outside. I mean, they're just learning a lot of things. I just have to get a little bit more of this little playtime. So there's little Syrup and her brother. Yep. This is either Baladin or, my goodness, my brain is just losing it. I can't even think of that other name. Okay. You're all right, baby. Yes, you are. You're all right. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You want to go over there and play with you little sissy. Go there. Nope. Okay.